Miracle is the way things ought to be. Ought to be. Ought to be.
The world is changing so fast. New markets are emerging. New connections are forming. New languages are becoming essential. And yet, most people are still locked out. Not because they lack intelligence, but because they can't read what's in front of them. You see Arabic. You hear it. You know it matters. But you don't access it. Not because it's too complex, but because no one showed you how to start. And the real barrier isn't the language. It's the alphabet. What if you could move from the Latin alphabet to Arabic? Step by step, clearly, without confusion. Make things easy and enjoy the process. Have fun while learning. This is what I built, not a traditional course, but a bridge. From what you already know to a completely new system, through transcription, sound connections, practical examples, even English written in Arabic, so that your brain adapts naturally, without friction. But why does it matter? Because the next world is not waiting for you. Opportunities are already there, across languages and across cultures. Arabic, but not only Arabic. From this alphabet, you start unlocking access to Persian, Urdu, and even Turkish through its vocabulary. And if you can't read, you can't enter. But you can stay where you are, or you can step in. Learn to read, get comfortable, build real access. This is not just about language, it's about positioning. In a world where systems overlap, those who can move between them move ahead. So get into the train and start now. From Latin alphabet to Arabic alphabet, and open the door to a much bigger world. Thanks for listening, and I see you in the next one.